Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term himbo. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, himbo is a handsome but unintelligent man who is often charming and good natured. People use it when describing a guy who's attractive but not very bright. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Himbo first showed up in the 1980s as a male counterpart to bimbo. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and internet communities. Now let's check out how to use himbo in a sentence. Correct example 1. Jake is such a himbo. He's sweet, but always forgets where he puts his keys. Correct example 2. I knew he was a himbo when he tried to microwave his phone. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said himbo at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using himbo right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Himbo means a handsome but unintelligent man, often charming and good-natured. It started in the 1980s as a male counterpart to bimbo, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with himbo in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.